Alright, here's a Slumber 3 Casablanca 4 Seasons at the Russian Fazbear's house. This one does not have accurate blades, but for the time being these will suffice. And by factory it is Slumber 3. Look right there, 4111D, D signifying Slumber 3. There's a few of these floating around.
Yeah, it's uncommon, but not necessarily rare.
I like the reflection on the ceiling, that's pretty cool. This came from Jersey Marketplace?
This one,
Or did it come from Charles?
this one actually has a mixed range of parts. The shell, the motor housing shell came from one that I got from the marketplace in Harrisburg. But the motor came from Charles.
Okay.
I mixed them together because that one had a better condition of shell, but his had better condition of irons and bearings.
Big surprise there. Alright, there is a Slumber 3 4 Seasons Snow White.